Hey everybody, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to share with you something awesome, 13 ways to make money quickly without having any specialized skill set, any college degree, or any know-how really in any of these topics. These are all things that you can do quickly. And they are all things that I've done in the past at some point in my life, a lot of which when I was younger and I needed to make some money quickly. So they're, for the most part, just side hustles, right? But you can scale a lot of these into full-time businesses if you want. And I think you're going to be pretty excited about it because not a lot of people talk about these things in the way that I'm going to talk about them with you today. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button below this video and like our channel. Go ahead and do that because we talk about how to generate more money, entrepreneurship, save more money, and just build a better financial life for yourself in general. And if you like that type of thing, you're going to want to do that. Stay subscribed, stay liked, and stay with us on this channel. So number one, the quickest way that I was making money as a kid was getting involved in doing car detailing. Car detailing, car washing, same thing. And everybody has a car, right? A lot of people have cars. It's a huge industry. I'd be willing to bet that you know some people that need their car washed, and you can offer to do it for $20, $30, $40. And the awesome thing about this business in general is all you really need is a bucket and some soap and a sponge. And if you're just starting out, you can go around your neighborhood and offer to do it. As you get more money coming in, you can create business cards or leaflets that you can stick on windows of cars and parking lots. And as you generate more money, you can actually buy more tools that will help you get into better detailing of cars and actually charge a little bit more money if you want to. If you want to scale it, it's a full business if you really want it, or it can just be a side hustle to make some money really quick. Now, the other thing you can do, number two, is you can drive people around. And what I mean by that is you can drive people around doing Uber, doing Lyft. People make $200 a day sometimes just driving people around. And all you really have to do is sign up for the app, go through a little inspection, and you could be making money tomorrow or within a week. And that is, as a lot of people know, a very quickly growing industry. So you could get in, and all you really need to have known how to do to get in is to just have a driver's license. So that's so simple, right? Most people already have a driver's license. You probably already do if you're watching this video. So the next is actually called retail arbitrage. Now, first time I heard of what retail arbitrage was, it was a little confusing, but it makes total sense. And I'm going to lay it out for you really quickly. So basically, if you go to somewhere like Target and they have items that are on sale, so let's say you have a mouse, you can go to Target and buy a computer mouse. The stuff that makes a great candidate for arbitrage is something that is on sale. So if this is $10 at Target and people are actually buying it for $20 on Amazon, you can buy it for $10 from Target and sell it for $20 on Amazon or eBay or any other place that you can put commerce on the internet and start to make a profit. So that's a real easy thing to do, right? You can go to Facebook Market, Craigslist. You can create an Amazon store. You can create a blog if you want, and that's an easy way to do it as well. So the fundamentals of it is buy low and sell high, and it's actually really easy to do. There are some apps out there that allow you to quickly scan items in store and find the price of them where they're sold in other places. So you can find items, scan them, and then quickly say, this is great, I'll just buy this and I'll sell it for more because I know on eBay they're selling it for $30 or $20. That's a $10 markup. So what you can do is also scale that business really, really quickly. Now the next income producing stream that I think that you would love to do is just rent out your car. There's a really cool app. It's called Turo, T-U-R-O, and you can put your car for rent on Turo. And I know a lot of people doing this. I have a client who is a Jeep rental company here on the island of Maui, and he rents Jeeps, and we rent them out on his website, and we do things like run ads on Facebook to rent out these Jeeps, but on the side, he's also put these Jeeps on an app like Turo, T-U-R-O, and he rents them, and also because there's such a huge community of people that are using Turo to look for cars because they're cheaper on Turo than your traditional car rental companies like Enterprise and other companies like that. So you can go on Turo, get cars for cheaper, and you can put your car and start making some revenue off of just renting out your car on Turo. And you don't have to rent it out every day. You can just pick specific days and you can approve or deny anybody requesting to rent your car. So that's a quick way to make money that you probably didn't know about. So the other thing you can do is take advantage of the tourist market. Now, what I mean by that is here I live in Maui, so we have a lot of tourism here. And one thing that you can do, and you need to keep in mind, is this is truly a side hustle, right? If you go to the beach and there are a ton of people at the beach and it's really hot out and you have a cooler full of ice cold waters and you're at the showers or the entrance of the beach, you can sell those waters for $2, $3. I used to do this all the time when I was a kid. I used to do it with candy actually in school and you can make a lot of money doing that. I mean, if you need money today, you could go out and do that and generate a nice amount of cash. The one thing that you should keep in mind though is there are some places where you don't want to do this because you could be loitering and it could be something that's illegal. So you want to keep in mind and don't do anything illegal. But if you want to go to a sporting event or something like that and sell some water or a beach or whatever, most times that would be a great place to do that and a great way to start making some money. Now the next thing you can do is go to a website called freelancer.com. And freelancer.com allows you to post jobs and things that you can do. So if you know how to, let's say you know how to write something, like maybe you're good at writing, you can create blog articles for people. Maybe you're good at graphic design. You can put your graphics for sale or your services for sale on freelancer.com. And the way Freelancer works is when someone needs something, let's say I need a logo that's made, I need a logo made, I'll go to freelancer.com and I'll post that as a job. And now you can apply to that job and you can start making money quickly working from home, which is an added bonus. Another great business, and I see this all the time, and I actually take advantage of this, is becoming a dog walker. So I have a dog and he's actually hanging out with me right here. And his name is Kevin, and he occasionally needs to be walked. And when I'm too busy and I'm working, I pay somebody to walk him. And there are a lot of people that are in your neighborhood that are willing to pay you to walk their dog. And it's really easy to do. You can put, again, like the car washing business, you can put leaflets out there, you can put business cards, and you don't need any startup capital, right? All you need to be able to do is go for a walk. And again, it's a 2-in-1. You get some exercise and you make a little money. And you probably get to hang out with really cool dogs like Kevin. So another great way to make money, and this is something I do all of the time, I go to outsourcing websites like Legit, Legit.com, and there are a lot of people out there that are doing digital marketing services like search engine optimization and building likes to Facebook accounts or Instagram pages, tons of service, hundreds, even thousands of services. And these are all things that you can do. Go on that website, have a look at the services, and find people, or you probably already know people that could benefit from these services. All you have to do is go to that website, find a service that you like, something that you know that you could sell to somebody you probably already know or a business that you frequent, and look at how much that service is being, the amount that they're charging for that service. So if they're charging $50 to fulfill that service, now you go out and you sell that service for $250. That way you get to keep $200. You don't really have to do anything. You're just the middleman in the process, and that's an easy way to make money as well. Before you know it, you'll have a client base, an existing client base that you can sell other services to that you don't really need to do any of the work. And I have a business where I do this all the time, and it makes a lot of money, and it's really stress-free. You eventually get to build a lifestyle where you can travel and work from home and grow and scale that business to wherever you really want to take it. So the next thing that I think is a great way to make money is to become a golf caddy. Now, there are a lot of golf resorts, golf courses all over the place, and if you're a kid especially, a lot of people that are watching this video, they might say, hey, you know, the other services that you're talking about, you have to be 18 or you have to have a license to become a driver or a car, and I don't have any of that stuff. I'm only a kid. Well, if you're a kid, this is a great service for you. You can become a golf caddy, go to your local golf club and offer to be a caddy, and you can make $50, $60, even $100 per bag that you carry for somebody, plus you're going to get a tip. So that's a really cool, easy way to make money. I have a close friend named Scotty who was a caddy for a really long time, and he ended up making a lot of money doing it because he got really good at golfing. So people wanted him to become their caddy. Now the next thing you can do, which is really, really cool, this is only something that has been around for a little while, which is a website called Fat Llama. Now Fat Llama allows you to rent out your stuff for a fee. And this is different. This is not your car, not renting your car or something like that. I'm talking about renting out your bike, renting out your video camera, renting out your surfboard. Anything that you have lying around, you can actually post it on this website and rent it out. So you can start to get a return on your investment. Depends how you look at it, and it depends what you're renting, but you can make a lot of money doing this simple thing with Fat Llama. Another service that is really awesome to do is to become a virtual assistant. Now, a virtual assistant is somebody that just is basically an assistant, but online. You have to help people check their email, categorize things in folders, write down information in spreadsheets or in Word documents, things that basically anybody at a high school education level can do. And you can go to a website like Upwork.com and you can post a job, or you can post a profile of yourself wanting to become a virtual assistant. The great thing about this is that you can, again, work from home. I love these jobs and services that you can do from home because it allows you to have a lot of freedom in your life. So finally, the last thing, and for myself has been one of the most profitable things, is creating online courses. So many people out there in the world, everybody has a skill or something that they know, some sort of information that they have that they should be sharing with the world. Everybody has a hobby, a sport, an interest, something that they like. And what you can do with that is to create an online course and you can sell it online. So there is so much information out there on how to do this. Do a quick search in Google about creating an online course. You can build a course for free on Udemy and they will promote it and you'll make a commission off everybody that buys it. So check out Udemy, look into building an online course. I have a company with my business partner where we create online courses where we teach people how to make money through digital marketing and different strategies like I've shared with you today. So if you're into or you got any value out of this video, hit the like and hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions about any of these services or you want to know any more information about how to make money, let me know. Put a comment below this video. I'm happy to help you and I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.